This is a little bit of an obscure question. We're asked to measure the diameter of a Canadian dime and quarter, and then we also should be measuring the diameter of a loonie. So I'm not sure if you have access to all those coins, and if you're actually going to take the time to make that happen. Good for you if you did. I will admit I'm kind of lazy. I don't have those coins sitting here, so I instantly thought of the internet, and sure enough, we can find that information. So dime, quarter, and loonie is what we need, and so I'm just going to pull that information in from this website and write it down, and then we'll actually do the question. So in each case, this is the diameter. So dime, it says 18.03 millimeters. So we've got dime. A quarter, it says 23.88. I'm assuming this is correct. Not everything that you see on the internet is correct, but hey. And that looks like a loonie to me. Did they do away with the loonie? I don't even know that. I haven't seen a loonie in my... I know we still have toonies. It doesn't matter. I'm going to just go with the flow here. Oh, I should have gotten what that dimension was. It is, I know I'm floundering around here, 26.5. 26.5. And these are all millimeters. So now that I have this information, let's look at the question. Measure the diameter of a Canadian dime and quarter. So there's a dime, there's a quarter, diameter is through the center, the longest distance across. And if you're using a ruler, you just need to kind of slide it gently up and down until you get the longest possible measurement, and that for a circle will be through the center. Calculate the ratio of diameter dime to diameter quarter. So the ratio would be the diameter of the dime divided by the diameter of the quarter, and we're just going to find that ratio. It says to calculate that, so we're going to do that division. Pretty straightforward. So 18.03 divided by 23.88, and that is to 3 decimal places 0.755. It's very weird. I start writing and then I go to a different program, I come back here, I'm just talking out loud. Look how much thicker that is. I don't know why that happens. If this ratio applies for a quarter and a loonie, what would be the diameter of the loonie? So if this same ratio is true, so here's a loonie, then what would the loonie have to have for an answer? So basically we would say quarter, 23.88. Loonie, we don't know, and we know that that's supposed to be 0.755 when we do this division. And if you want, you can either do it this way, turn this into a 1, and if you want to solve this, now we have a proportion, and we would multiply and then divide by 0.755. So I'm going to go 23.88 times 1. How sweet that is. It's just 23.88. And I'm going to divide that by 0.755. And if that same ratio applied, then a loonie would have to be 31.63 millimeters. But it does not apply because the loonie is actually only 26.5. It's a little bit of a weird question there, but if you actually measured and you got values that are close to those, good for you.